Hey y'all, I'm back. I just made some cornstarch and it's so crunchy, so I wanted to share the crunch with you guys. It's so pretty outside too, so I'm in the car so that the lighting will be better. So I'm just gonna crunch some. Hold on. That's the first one. I'm gonna crunch. It's just so crunchy. Mm, mm, mm. I should be spitting it out, but it's just so dry and so crisp. It's just hard to swallow though when you eat too much. And another piece. Mm. It's still kind of warm. Mm, mm. I let these cool um, in the freezer for a little while. Still a little warm. But I don't ever leave mine in the freezer till they like freeze or build ice because it's cornstarch. So you know if it like freezes or gets too cool, then it's going to melt. So it's going to, not stay as crunchy. So make sure when you put it in the freezer, you only put it in there long enough for it to cool and not to actually like, get any type of ice on it or freeze up or anything. Because when it thaws, it's going to be um, soft. Okay. Video getting kind of long, so I'm going to just do one more piece. And I'm going to let y'all go. Okay. I'm gonna let y'all go and go brush my teeth because you know if you leave cornstarch on your tongue, you will have bad breath. So brush and rinse every time you eat. And I'm sorry it's so long, but this cornstarch was so crunchy and so good. Mm. So, till next time, y'all. Bye.